Auzbillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. Nursery class, today we are going to learn how to write X on your Al-Hira English workbook. This is your Al-Hira English workbook. First we will read English reading phonics sheet. Let's start with me. Name of the letter A is A, but the sound of the letter is A. Name of the letter B is B, but the sound of the letter is B. Name of the letter C is C, but the sound of the letter is C. Name of the letter D is D, but the sound of the letter is D. Name of the letter E is E, but the sound of the letter is E. Name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F. Name of the letter G is G, but the sound of the letter is G. Name of the letter H is H, but the sound of the letter is H. Name of the letter I is I, but the sound of the letter is IA. Name of the letter J is J, but the sound of the letter is J. Name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K. Name of the letter L is L, but the sound of the letter is L. Name of the letter M is M, but the sound of the letter is M. Name of the letter N is N, but the sound of the letter is N. Name of the letter O is O, but the sound of the letter is O. Name of the letter P is P, but the sound of the letter is P. Name of the letter Q is Q, but the sound of the letter is Q. Name of the letter R is R, but the sound of the letter is R. Name of the letter S is S, but the sound of the letter is S. Name of the letter T is T, but the sound of the letter is T. Name of the letter U is EU, but the sound of the letter is U. Name of the letter V is V, but the sound of the letter is V. Name of the letter W is W, but the sound of the letter is W. Name of the letter X is X, but the sound of the letter is X. Name of the letter Y is Y, but the sound of the letter is Y. Name of the letter Z is Z, but the sound of the letter is Z. So this is our English phonics sheet. Okay, before starting the class, we learn how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and forefinger. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and the forefinger. Then put your middle finger underneath force board and put your middle finger underneath force board. So this is the right way to hold the pencil. And don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. These ways are wrong to hold the pencil. Now we learn how to write X. First we learn how to write capital X, and then we will learn how to write small x. Okay, 4-lined copy paper will help you write each letter evenly and uniformly. It will also help to distinguish the difference in size of the uppercase and the lowercase letters. Okay, let's learn how to write X. Draw a slanting line in between first 3 lines, then another slanting line which is crossing to the first slanting line at the middle line to write X. So name of the letter is X, but the sound of the letter is X. Now the same way we have to write the small x, but we have to follow the lines. The capital X we write in 3 lines and the small x we write in middle 2 lines. Draw a slanting line and other slanting line which cross to each other to write X. Draw a slanting line and other slanting line which cross to each other to write X. X, X-ray. X, X-ray. Now you have to trace on these dots, write it in clear line, draw a slanting line and another slanting line to write X. Draw a slanting line and other slanting line opposite to the first slanting line which cross to each other to write X. The capital X should be write in 3 lines, first 3 lines, and the small x must be write in middle 2 lines. In the same way, draw a slanting line and other slanting line opposite to the first slanting line which cross to each other in between 2 middle lines to write X. X, X-ray, X, fox. X-ray, X, fox. X-ray, X, fox. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. How to write X? Draw a slanting line in between first 3 lines and other slanting line opposite to the first slanting line which cross to each other to write X. And now you have to write lowercase letter x. Draw a slanting line in between 2 middle lines and another slanting line opposite to the first slanting line which cross to each other to write X. Good. Now you know how to write X. So you have to do practice to write this letter and you have to complete your Al-Hira workbook X work, the work of X, and do practice and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.